That's a good start to the day, covered in snow. I got to hook on with our new truck to the 340 bushel air cart that we just sold to Intelligent Ag. They're going to use it for some testing, get that thing towed north of town here to a farm so that they can use it later this week. And the crazy thing, guys, is we wish the weather would cooperate, but it is terrible out. It is pouring rain right now. And it's just not ideal to go do some rebuilds. In fact, they're forecasting over 15 inches of snow this week. I don't know how we're gonna deal with this, but we can't let anything slip. We gotta get it done. This is the custom ready hitch here, so that we can tow a behind air cart.
You just barely rubbed that crate.
I know. Good thing is there's nothing in that, so I thought that might be good cinematic effect. Crunch! Alright, so we're ready to go. This is the 1910 340 bushel tow behind cart we've had for sale for a while. And it's going to a new home. I got some helpers with me. Got the wife in the back, following us to make sure we're safe. Actually probably over an inch of rain now. So we got to get the kids home. I got to get back to the shop, help the guys get split up here for our big week next week. Get out of here. See you guys tomorrow. Well guys, we actually made it here. I'm gonna do an overall inspection of the machine and get after it. So this is our first stop of 4 this week for Garrett and I. Get this done before the big snowstorm 15 inches comes in tomorrow. Close. Swapping out the belt. This one had some delaminating issues, so we're swapping it out with a new one. And I'm gonna get this thing working like new. Hey guys, we just got done with the first job here. This is Daniel. We replaced the conveyor belt over there. We tested it all working, and then we had some sensor issues. Now this is the Intelligent Ag wireless blockage system. About 10 years ago, he put this system on and had 2 sensors that were kind of giving him some fits. Replaced them out, they're working again. So everything's good to go.
Yep.
We gotta be on our way to the next job. Thanks Daniel for having us out.
Thanks a lot.
We'll be on our way. Hey guys, we made it to job number 2, and we're gonna be working here on this little guy, this 2320 air cart and this Flexi-Coil hoe drill. So he updated a whole bunch of stainless on this thing and got him seating again, and he said, why am I gonna go buy this other drill when I know this machine, I know how it plants, and I'm already rolling with it, so I'm gonna put some more money into it, a hydraulic drive and a camera kit, and I'm gonna keep it, and let's get rid of the other one. So late, Garrett. How late is it?
1:20.
1:20 in the morning. What have we done? Well, we got the job done. That's what we done. Everything got late today, so we got late. But we're tired. We're gonna head to a hotel. So this wraps up job number 2 of 4 this week. Time to get some sleep for job number 3 tomorrow. Hey guys, it is the second day and we are on job number 3, and we are here to put a stainless conveyor on this New Holland air cart. So Flexi-Coil case, New Holland style. He's got a big 10-inch auger, but he doesn't like how it vibrates, bounces around. So this is what we're gonna be replacing here. And let's take a look over here at this conveyor. So here, this is a stainless conveyor. We do quite a few of these for John Deere air carts, but this is going to be the first time we're going to be doing a conversion on this New Holland air cart. So we got to replace all the mounting arms, the lock brackets, stuff like that. So, what do you think, Garrett? Should we get started?
I think so.
Yeah, we got to do it. Snow's coming. Got to get her done. More difficult than we thought, but we got her. The auger is off. Well, guys, we are finally ready for the grand finale. Right, Garrett?
Yep.
We got the conveyor all ready to go here, and we're gonna be using that telehandler to hang it right on that arm. What do you think, Garrett?
Looks good.
Yeah. Went up well, look at that. Beautiful. All right, time to test her out. Let's get the tractor started here. Well, guys, we did it. We got her all done. Everything's wrapped up, we're cleaned up. It is now starting to snow and blow like crazy. They're talking 15 plus inches. We're under a blizzard warning. We gotta travel 2.5 hours west. So we gotta get going here. Just in time, got her done. Let's take a look at this thing. So the farmer's happy. We got to get out of here. We'll see you at the next job. Good morning. What happened out here? Oh man. We got 2 feet of snow. Wow. Good thing we backed into here. What do you guys think? Are we gonna be able to get out of here?
It's the moment of truth.
Yeah. We can get it. Nasty out. I think you can make it once we get past the trees. The snow really blows off the road.
Here we come.
What do you think? Yeah, nothing for the ready truck. Only in North Dakota, Garrett. Well, we made it, guys. We're thankful to be inside here. The weather is crazy out. We are under a complete blizzard warning. It is heavy snow and wind. I'm just thankful we got here. We know we'll be able to work all day today. We have a 30-minute drive to the cabin that we're staying at. And if we can't get out of here, we brought some sleeping bags just in case. But we're hoping we can get a good day in today. Get home, get some rest, get back. But they're talking heavy snow for 2.5 days. Over 20 inches of snow. I bet we've already got 12. It might even be more. So we'll see what happens. All we can do is get to work on this thing and make it happen.
That's how a main opener on pin's supposed to be, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is normal, right? Just use a punch.
Yeah.
That's a good start to the day. Covered in snow. Let's see if this thing can even see. Yes, glad to have a skid steer, Derek. that made short work of that. How do we get out of here, guys? How do you climb out of the house when you're snowed in? We got snowed in here last night. We were staying 30 minutes away from here, and this 2 feet of snow really locked us in here. The farmer that was here was really kind and let us stay at their place last night. So we're recharged, got some rest, we're ready to get back at it. It's gonna be a long day today, but we gotta get it done. So Dean just grabbed a big wheel loader. He's gonna hook up a bucket and really get some snow moved. This little skid steer was nice, but there's just so much snow out here that it's just hard to get it all moved out of the way. So today's snow cleanup day for a lot of people. We're still working, so we're gonna keep doing that. How's it going, guys?
Good.
Garrett's crawling through the belly of the machine.
Having fun.
Yeah. You guys ever wonder when to replace your seed boot? Well, I can show you here. This is a good example of a bad example. These are really bad. You can see it's just completely eaten away. Seed escaping from the side of this boot as it's coming down, and the ground is only engaged about this far on the seed boot. And so you can see these are very badly worn. Well, this is the end of day 2, and we somehow made it. We had to plow through more snow drifts than I've ever had to do in probably 5 years. So she is heavy. Look at all this snow out here. It's probably hard to tell with the camera, but when we first got here, it was grass. So all this is brand new. It had all melted before. Oh man, we didn't wreck anything. We made it back to the job site, guys, and it is Good Friday today. It's been a long week, but everything's gone well. We've been really thankful that, considering the storm, everything is gone about as good as it could. So we're gonna keep going. Let's try something I've seen before. And again. Garrett doesn't think my snap works. Wow, guys, look at that. I can't believe it worked. We are all done. Looking good. It will be ready to seed if this winter ever ends and these 20 inches of snow melt. You'll be able to go to the field. Hey guys, we made it back to the cabin. We had a great time. We did 4 jobs this week. We met some great farmers, had a great time, and
ran into 2 feet of snow. 36 inches down in Minot just south of us. It was a crazy mid-April storm, but hey, the Lord was good and we're thankful to be done and heading home. Thanks guys, catch you later.